Enjoy the view of this 2021 Ford F-150. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 360-degree view car camera, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.